Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a factory manufactures 784 cricket bats in a day. How many cricket bats will it produce in 80 weeks? As we know that in a week there are 7 days. So, number of days in 80 weeks will be 80 into 7, that is 560 days. Now, we have given in a day there are 784 bats produce. So, to calculate how many bats will be produced in 80 weeks, 80 weeks means 560 days. So, in 560 days, number of bats will produce be 560 into number of bats produced in a day, that is 784. We can multiply this by 784 into 560. Now any number multiply with 0 gives 0. Add 0 to the units place. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2 forward. 8 6 are 48. Plus 2 is 50. 5 carry forward. 7 6 are 42 plus 5 is 47. Add 0 to the units place and tens place. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry forward. 8 5s are 40 plus 2 is 42. 4 carry forward. 7 5s are 35 plus 4 is 39. Now add these three values. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Again this 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 carry over. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is 439,040. Hence, 439,040 cricket bats will produce in 80 weeks. So from available options, we have option C as 439,040.